Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can open the settings. Let me go back. And here in the settings, we need to scroll down and find the option Accounts. Here we need to tap on Add Account and choose Google. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required to connect to the server. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here you need to decide who will be using this device, so either you or your child. Just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. So here we can decide whether we want to back up the data like photos and videos, or other device data like contacts, call history. You can simply tap on Turn on Backup or Don't Backup. It's completely up to you. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, if you want to remove it, you can do it right here. So remember, just open the accounts here in the settings, tap on your account and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you'll need to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.